With Perfect Start Learning, and this is your 1-minute book review. Today we are going to be talking about Mother Goose Time book, and the Mother Goose Time book that I am talking about had to do with last month's theme on science. Mother Goose Time had an entire theme based on science activities, and easy to understand science concepts for children. If you had children that were younger than 3, there were easy modifications within the theme to help break it down. The book, Ingenuity. It is by Leslie Falconer and Michael Kenya, and pictures by Chris Lynch. And this was awesome because it had it actually had the different scientists in here. And look at the cute drawings. They're so cute. It had different scientists and inventors and doing a picture walk and telling them the name of the author, of the inventor or the scientist, and then telling them what he invented would be a good way to just go through the book for younger children who are not ready for you to read this entire thing to them. So what I did with this book is I did not read this to them all the way through. I picked a couple of the inventors and scientists throughout the book, and I read a couple of it to them each day. My classroom was kind of small this summer because of all my kids going off to kindergarten, but I would suggest trying to locate this book if you are not a subscriber to Mother Goose Time. I think they actually sell it on their website. Or subscribe to Mother Goose Time and you can get other cool books like this. All right, thanks for watching. This was your 1-minute book review.